So hello everyone, this is a quick guide on how to install or download PuTTY in your system. So basically, PuTTY is a free open source terminal emulator and SSH client used for connecting to remote systems. So first head over to the link I sent in the description, and this is the first thing that you will see. Download PuTTY. PuTTY is an SSH client and telnet client developed originally by. All we have to do is click this link here, download PuTTY, and then after that you'll be headed in this page. This page contains download links for the latest released versions. Just click this first link if you're using Windows, download it, and then just press enter. I already installed it, so just press install on the thing on the installer setup wizard. Just click next, and then install. And yes, view readme file, finish. You will be headed to this readme, open, and then you already have PuTTY installed in your system. That's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.